Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So the internet is filled with so many things, so many ideas, so much to talk about bonk. People are losing faith. Some people are saying they're still bullish. Some are saying that whatever happened here is a very big drop and it's a very big discount. Now, of course, everyone has their own perspective. I have my own perspective. Some are going to agree. Some are going to disagree. Some are going to feel bad. Some are going to feel good. Some are going to say it's going to make logic. Some are going to say, hey, charts don't work. But hey, again, so today, what kind of opinion do I have? Okay, what I have is the following. The best possible thing and the closest thing that I've come up to is that unless bonk doesn't still go above 180,000, break above here, you have good chances of moving up, right? Because that's going to be a left shoulder, head here, right shoulder, you break the neckline and that goes up. No excuses. It should be doing that. Secondly, if you're not going to be doing that, I've talked about this resistance line that you've actually lost. So it goes on to be something like this over here, and I've talked about this one in a great detail in the previous videos, that bonk has lost it. You actually had your resistance here, you had your support right there, you had support here, support there, you broke down, went for the retest, and you're looking to drop down to 52,000. Another thing that I find out as well is that this is your ascending broadening wedge as well, right? And you broke below it, and you probably are looking to drop down to that, even 19,000. But I'm still, I don't really know about 19,000, but I would actually say 43,000, 42,000 is the place where bonk probably is going to go down to, but not dump all the way down. It's just going to do something like this, in my opinion. Another thing is that if I talk about today, I do see this little bit of a pattern. There are two things I want to show you, and for that one, let's go into the 1 hour time frame. So you have some sort of support here that has been lost as well. Now look at this. All right, this one also gets much more worse. Look at this. You have a touch here, a move up. You have probably another touch right there and a move to the upside. So I'm just going to draw the trend line a little bit better, so it looks more like that. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is a valid trend line, and you have this one touch here, one touch there, and you've broken below that. You're looking for this retest, and then you're still coming up again. You may still actually continue up like this and then fall down. So we're talking about a technical target to drop at least today in the short-term frame, and that's going to be from there to there, and we're talking about 10,000. So you have almost 24% move coming to the downside, by the way. Okay, so that's it for this very quick update on bonk. Do make sure you're following this channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.